Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel named Flying Mishra. My name is Priyanka Mishra and today I'll share you my eye look with you all and the best eyeshadow palette I have got my hands on so far till now. So please watch the full video to know. Today I'll be revealing my secret box in front of you all. Before this, if you have come to my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So this is the beauty secret of my small box which I am going to share you, Color Board Beauty Glaze. So this palette I have ordered, it's been a month now since I'm using it and I'm totally in love with it. If you are a makeup addict, I will highly recommend you to go for this one, depending if you are buying from a assured site. Now let me show you the shades and pigmentations. As you can see, the first palette is of green shades. It has all the shades of green. The second one is of the red shades. And there is a third palette of blue shades which has some vibrant colors as well. And the last palette I have is of purple shades. So there are all in 4 shades palette I have, and all together it has 60 shades. I have destroyed the purple one a little because it is too good that I cannot control myself of using it again and again. As you can see, it has a book style packaging, so you can move one palette and then you can use the another one. I like the packaging because it's different from others. It has some unique board sharing you the pigmentation of each shades. As you can see, the shades looks vibrant. Let's check out the pigmentation. So here's the first green shade I'm using. As you can see, it has a very fine pigmentation and that is easily visible with my mobile camera. So as you can see, there is so many shades of green. I love the pigmentation it has. Let's use the shimmer one. As you can see, it gives beautiful color. I just loved it. As you can see, all these, it has beautiful pigmentation. These all are green shades. I have used only 5 shades. It has others as well. I'm showing you as for just example, as they have got pigmentation. So here's the pink one. This is the lightest pink I'm applying. So I don't have my hands free now because it has so many shades. Oh my god. So now I'll be creating a look out of this eyeshadow palette and showing to you how does it look. So let's start. First I'm applying the moisturizer, a regular moisturizer on my face. Now I am using primer on my face which will create a layer and help the foundation to spread well. We'll mix it well all over the face. And then the next step will be applying foundation. So I'll be using the foundation from Maybelline. Just taking a pea size quantity, not much. Applying all over the face. Here I am not applying concealer, as in order to keep my base light you can apply concealer. I'm skipping concealer. So next I'll mix my foundation using a beauty blender, sponge into some water, drain all the water, and then I'll apply on my skin in order that the foundation spread well and equal in my skin. All you have to do is just tap, tap, tap. I have equally spread the foundation all over the skin with the help of Beauty Blender. Next, I'll be using the face powder from Maybelline and brush all over the skin. brushing around all over the face. I am putting little extra face powder under my eyes in order to remove the excess eyeshadow later on after application. With this, my base is ready. Now I'll apply blusher on my face. So I'm using the L'Oreal one, the lightest shade, applying little on my cheekbones of both the sides and little on my nose as well. So now I'll highlight my cheekbones using Maybelline highlighter. Just spread a little on my cheekbones to highlight the areas. Using eyebrow pencil to give my eyebrows a shape. It is from Wet n Wild. So I have applied it on my face. Now I will brush it out with a brush. Mixing it well. So now I'll apply Wet n Wild Nude Shade Lipstick to give a look to my face. Now is the time for use the best bold, that is color bold eyeshadow palette. Yes. So whenever I see the palette, it makes me feel so happy and satisfying that I have finally bought this. Now let's create a beautiful look out of these beautiful palette. So I am wearing red. I'll be using the red palette. It's very difficult for me to select a single shade. So let's just go with the orange without thinking much. So I'm putting orange. I'll apply this orange shade on the upper eye shape from corners to corner. Mixing all over around. The better you mix, the better it will come. So spreading all over the eyes. As you can see the difference, I have used only just one brush I have used it, and you can see the difference. I will put the product link in the description box so it will be easy for you to order directly from there. Also, do let me know how much you like the product. Applying on the other side as well. Mixing properly all over the eye and eyelid from corners to corner. Absolutely loving it. Let's use the other color. I'm using White Sparkle Shimmery shade now. Just showing you how it looks. You can see on the brush how easily it has come. So now I will apply this to all over my eyelid, cover with this white sparkle, trying creating a party look. Use just one brush and you can see how beautiful it is looking. Just spreading all over the eyes. Absolutely satisfied. Now I'll use on the other eye as well, mixing it properly, giving it a happy face look. Let me show you how it is looking. As you can see, I have roughly applied it using mascara to give a bold look. This is from Maybelline. Now I'll apply kajal, that is from Lakme. So I'll apply over my eyelid and the corners, and now I will brush it to give a smoky black effect at both the corners to give it a shape to the eye. Applying current favorite love, that is red lipstick from Blue Heaven. The shade number is 01. So here is my final bold party look. So if you have liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button. It will take a second for you, but it will create a huge impact on me. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.